Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. How are you all doing? So today we are going to be making delicious fried yam with some fried fish. This is super easy and quick to do, and I believe you all will love it. So without further ado, please stay with me and let's start cooking. So I'll first of all start by my fish. Here I have my fresh fish which have already been cleaned and washed thoroughly with some lime juice, and I'll be adding salt, and also I have some ground ginger, onion and garlic that I'll be adding to it. So you add any seasoning that you prefer to your fish, or you can also use only salt if that is what you want. So here I'm using my hand to rub the salt to make sure all the fish is well seasoning with salt. And then here I have black pepper. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of black pepper. And as I said before, you can use any seasoning of your choice. So here is the grind ginger, garlic and onion. And then I'll be using my hands to make sure all the fish is well marinated. I want this fish to taste super delicious. And then I'm going to be setting the fish aside and let it sit for about 20 minutes before I fry it. That way all the ingredients or all the fish will be very well marinated. So after that, I just peel my yam, and then I'm going to be cutting the yam into the shape. This is the shape and the size that I like. So you can cut yours into any shape and size that you prefer. So after I finish cutting my yam, I'll be washing it also. And then I'm going to be soaking it in the water with some salt, and I'll allow you to sit also for about 10 to 15 minutes before fry. So the yam is washed, and now I just add a tablespoon of salt, and then I'm going to be adding my water. Make sure the water is covered to the top. Make sure all the yam is soaked well in the salt water. So I'll let it sit, and then I'll start by grinding my pepper. So here I have one scotch bonnet, some onion and salt. I'm using just one pepper because this pepper is super hot, very hot. So one is just okay for me. And then I'm going to be adding some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. So I'll grind it until all is well grinded. I'll grind it to the smooth paste. And that is done. So after that, I just have here my oil on the fire, and I'm just going to put in a skewer to see if the oil is hot. So when you start seeing the bubbles, you will know that the oil is hot. And here I just added about 3 tablespoons of bread flour or purpose flour. This will help the fish to fry very well. So I'm frying this fish on a medium high, not too high and not too low, because you don't want to get your fish burned easily. You want your fish to take time and fry very well so you can get that crispy golden brown color. So I'm just flipping the fish over and allow the other side also to fry very well. Look at the fish. They are looking so beautiful. They are frying very well. And I just love the color because it's not getting burnt. It's just frying slowly and nicely. So keep on turning the fish and make sure all the sides are well fried. And there, this one is fried now. Look at that. Very well fried. Golden brown color. Now I'm just going to go ahead and remove them from the oil, and I'll go ahead to fry the next one until I am done. So I just added in the other ones and let them fry also on a medium high. And here we are done frying our fish. And that's it. So I have oil already on the fire, and here I'm going to start by frying my yam. Also, I'm frying the yam also on a medium high. I'm not frying this on a high heat. I want the yam also to fry very slowly, nicely fry, crispy, soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. So after the yam is fried very well, I'll go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of the salted water on it. This will help the yam to be crispy on the outside, and the inside will be very soft and moist. So the yam is ready and everything is set. The fish is fried, the yam is ready. Here I have my grinded pepper, some green chili, some tomato sauce which I have, and you can use any type of sauce that you prefer for the yam. This yam tastes absolutely delicious, very delicious, very crispy, soft on the inside, and on the outside looks very crispy. So I want to take this opportunity to say thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and I'll see you